Hello, this video is about fax functionality in MAXIFY GX series multifunctionals. Fax function is available on the main menu of the MFP models. The following series support fax: GX2000, GX4000 and biggest GX7000, and in this video I cover setup, menu functions and supported software across the MAXIFY GX range. On different models I demonstrate a little bit different functionalities. Let me start with the online manuals, where you find a fax setup guide and will guide you through the phone line configuration, fax mode settings, wire connections and so on. In about next 10 minutes I will give you enough information so you can set up the connection successfully and explain some of the additional functions and software. I start with GX7000 series. I set up new device, selecting easy setup from the fax menu. First I connect my telephone line, which goes into my cable modem phone input. Next I connect the external phone, because I will be using this telephone line also for phone calls. After a successful test, my fax setup is complete. I put the document into the feeder and enter the number to send fax. The destination can be saved into the device profiles. This is one of the business solutions on GX series, and find more of them in the video in the upper right corner. Next time I want to dial the same number, I can just select it from the My Profiles menu. There are more functions and receive modes available. Here I put fax modes and explanations on the screen. After installing the drivers to the computer, you can send fax from the PC driver without printing the document. If sending is not successful, the device will print a report. Different reports can be printed from the Functions menu. Finally, on GX7000, you can scan and send two-sided originals in the single pass. You have to set it up in the fax paper settings. This was about biggest GX series model. Next, I used the GX4000. It has same menu and same setup of the fax. In the settings menu, you find same fax settings from user information, line type, auto print settings, and so on. In auto print settings, you can preset not to print the received faxes. The autosave function is not set in my device, as you need to preset scan to destination folder, as I did in the video in the upper right corner, setting up scan to network folder. Then you can save faxes to the folder. In the security functions, you can enter the numbers from which you want to block the transmission. The same software is supported for all multifunctionals with fax. I have installed all the software for this model in the upper right corner video. Here I download and install the speed dial utility. The download link is available through the online manuals or download support page. The speed dial utility installs in about a minute. To log in, on some models, the serial number of the printer may work as default admin password, which on new models needs to be set in advance. And this is something I cover in the upper right corner video about admin login. I can edit the coded speed dial settings and save them to printer and to the PC database. After I input the number, I can send it to the printer. This was a short review of the speed dial utility, and find more functions in the online manuals. In the last part I show the smallest GX2000, which has same inputs as other models, same menu or user interface as all the functions, and menus are same across the GX series range. So here I only walk through the rest of the menu, which I did not touch with the previous models. Faxes can also be sent from the platen glass. It's not necessary to use the document feeder. And finally, if you change your mind when fax is already in sending, you can always cancel the transmission using stop button, and by default the report will be printed. These reports can be later disabled in the menu. And that would be all in this video. Find more about MAXIFY GX series in the playlist. Do not forget to subscribe to support the channel so I can create more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!